Today is Friday, January 12, 2024. This is a chart of the SPY or spiders. Before the market opens, it's currently 9:15 a.m. Eastern. The opening bell is in about 15 minutes. There are 7 levels that have been identified to trade against today in the E-mini futures, and one of these levels is a dotted line. If you recall, it was the level yesterday that wasn't technically a fumble. We called it a wash because price didn't react there. Never gave us the fumble signal, and it did react there later in the day. Could have been recycled, but I've noticed the pre-market they've been hanging out at this level for a while now. So going to keep an eye on it. Volume could be a little bit low today because Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It's a holiday. Markets will be closed, and I typically don't like to trade the day before the day after major holidays. But I have the ability to trade a little today, so I'll keep an eye on it and see if these levels work, and we'll circle back around this afternoon after the market closes and take a look at how any trades played out. Here is the price action in the spiders after the market closed. As it turned out, they stayed around the 476.55 level almost all day. I opted not to trade any of the levels today, but the trades would have worked out okay if I had. Let's take a look. First, the levels have been adjusted with the 5-cent buffer applied, and you can see that the spiders came into 2 of these levels. They missed the one down at 475.15 by just pennies, so this would not have triggered a trade of the E-minis. So we'll just focus on the relevant levels. The first trigger would have been a long position in the E-minis when the spiders came down into and touched 477.65. As you can see, there simply was no reaction there. Price continued to fall down into 476.55. The average entry price would have given you a base hit when you bought again on the combined position. It was barely enough, but it did work. Sticking to the rules, you would have been okay to stay in the trade from here, been okay to be out of the money, and then buy again when it got down here. The average entry price, like I said, it was just barely enough, no meat left on the bone. It provided the 4 points and turned it back around and continued lower, looking for the final destination wherever their low was, which just for what it's worth happened to be just pennies above the 475.15. So no trade down there. And as you can tell, the spiders never got to any other levels. So that was really it for the rest of their trading session. And on the log, you can see the 2 trades at the levels we just looked at in the spiders. They were averaging together to provide a base hit on the combined position. And that really is a wrap for today and for the week. Monday is a holiday, so no trades on Monday. We'll see if volume picks back up Tuesday and the environment is suitable for getting back into some trades starting then or Wednesday. If you find these videos interesting and or helpful, consider leaving a comment or question and let me know your thoughts. And please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. That would help the channel gain traction. Thanks and have a great day.